When we come home from, for example, our holidays, we find that we have tons of photos and that it is really difficult to make a proper selection between them to create a photo book. Well, don't give up. We have some tips for you. It is always good to set a deadline, so you don't waste time and have a clear goal. In this first round, we will eliminate the photos from the camera with some defects in low quality, such as out of focus, shaky, or overexposed. That will help us save time before transferring all the files to our device, and it will also save some space. Depending on our trip, we can separate photos by places or with a timeline. This way the volume of our photos will be easier to handle. In our example, we're going to create daily folders. The next step is choosing photos that complement each other, removing all the ones that are similar, avoiding uniformity. As a reference, we can use the number of pages we want to create within the photo book as the minimum number of pictures we need. Once this has been checked, there's no need to worry if we have more that we wish to include. In that case, we can always add more photos per page and add more pages to the photo book. Now it's your time to start designing and have fun.